everyone, today we will continue chapter number 4, exercise 4.2. Our first topic is cube root of negative perfect cube. We have cube root of minus a to the power cube is equal to minus cube root of a to the power cube. We can write minus a. Let's see the example. Find the cube root of minus 9261. So first of all, prime factorization of 9261. First divide by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 0, 3 8 ja 24, 3 7 ja 21. Again divide by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 0, 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja 27. Again divide by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Again divide by 7, 49. Again divide by 7, 7. Again divide by 7, 1. Now cube root of 9261 expressed into prime factors, we can write here 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now grouping, first group, second group. Now taking one factor from each group, so we can write here 3 into 7. We have 21. Now cube root of 9000 minus 9261, we can write here minus cube root of 9261 is equal to minus sign right here, and cube root of 9261 is 21. That is answer. So cube root of minus 9261 is equal to minus 21. Our next topic is cube root of product of integers. Let's see. We have cube root of AB. We can write here cube root of A is multiplied by cube root of B. Let's see the example. Find the cube root of minus 1331 is multiplied by 3375. We can write here cube root of minus 1331 is multiplied by cube root of 3375. Again we can write here minus cube root of 1331 is multiplied by cube root of 3375. Now prime factorization of 1331 divided by 11. 121. Again divide by 11. 11. Now prime factorization of 3375 divide by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. Again divide by 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 7 ja 21. 3 5 ja 15. Again divide by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 5 ja 15. Again divide by 5. 25. Again divide by 5. 5. Now minus cube root of 1331 expressed as a prime factors. Minus cube root of 11 into 11 into 11 is multiplied by 3375 expressed into prime factors. So cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now taking one factor from each group. So 11 is multiplied by first group 3, from the second group 5. Now we will multiply 11 3 ja 33 and 33 is multiplied by 5. It's become minus 165. That is answer. Our next topic is cube root of a rational number. Let's see. We have cube root of a by b. We can write cube root of a by cube root of b. Let's see the example. Find the cube root of a 4 whole 17 by 27. It is in mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. So 125 by 27. So we can write here cube root of 125 by cube root of 27. Now prime factorization of 125, divide by 5, 25, again divide by 5, 5. Prime factorization of 27, divide by 3, 9, divide by 3, 3. Now cube root of 125 expressed into prime factors. So we can write 5 into 5 into 5 by cube root of 27 expressed into prime factors. So we can write here 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to, taking one factor from each group, so 5 by 3. So cube root of 4 whole 17 by 27 is equal to 5 by 3. It is answer. Our next topic is cube root of a decimal. Let's see the example. We have to find the cube root of 0.216. So we can write here cube root of 216 by 1000. Now convert into lowest term. So cube root of 27 by 125. Now we can write here cube root of 27 by cube root of 125. Now 27 expressed into prime factors, so we have to write here cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 by cube root of 125. So 125 expressed into prime factors, so we have to write here cube root of 5 into 5 into 5. Now taking one factor from each group, so we can write here 3 by 5. Now convert into decimal, so we multiply 2 by 2, it's become 6 by 10 is equal to 0.6. So cube root of 0.216 is equal to 0.6. That is answer. Let's see one more question. Difference of two perfect cubes is 387. If the cube root of the greater of two numbers is 8, find the cube root of a smaller number. Let's see. Solution. Let x be the greater number and y be the smaller number. Now according to question, cube root of greater number is 8. So cube root of x is equal to 8. We have x is equal to 8 to the power cube. So x is equal to 512. Now difference of two perfect cubes is 387. Difference of two perfect cubes is 387. So according to question, we have to write here 512 minus the smaller number is equal to 387. Now y is equal to 512 minus 387. So y is equal to 125. Now cube root of y is equal to cube root of 125 expressed into prime factors. So 5 into 5 into 5, taking one factor from each group. So we can write here 5. So the smaller number is 5. Thank you.